If you've had previous drafting experience with AutoCAD, one little issue in gCADPlus might throw you. I've started the text styles manager. Let me just cancel from there. And that of course is done by format and text styles. And notice I've created a couple of new styles. To create a new style, let's just click and it's defaulting to simplex. So of course we could say we're going to set a new text style with the Arial font and we want to name it Arial. If I click in here and just say I'll use the backspace and jump in here and we'll call it Arial. And if I happen to step away and go to style 2, notice style 3 where we just changed it by overtyping did not work. If I, however, type the phrase Arial and hit enter at that point, now as I move away to other styles, it's burnt in. In the AutoCAD world, that may well not be necessary to hit that enter key. So it's a small thing, but it can trick beginners or new people moving to gCADPlus from other CAD software. It's one of our idiosyncrasies, but we think hitting the enter key after you've done some typing is a good idea.